So the date is 9th of October 2025, and the time is 11:54 p.m. We are about to get to the morning of 11th of October. So I just want to make some analysis about what happened from the previous day's market. Let's start from 45 minutes. Yes. So from 45 minutes now, yeah. When the market came to this site. I was actually expecting the market to come around this zone, yeah. But market never came to this zone, so it stopped at this zone. That's where the market stopped at. But when you check 15-minute time frame, you realize that there was a mini order block here that the price respected, yeah. So respected the zone, after the price respected this particular zone, right? It now move upward before later coming to retest it again. Then hit with an other block that was created around the zone. So that other block here on what's it called? You can see it better on the so you can see it better on what's it called? 15 minutes. So you can see that there was this other block that after the price came to touch after the price tested the zone, it came to touch it, yeah. So I was expected that price is going to respect this other block, this tiny guy over here. Let me So I was expecting that the price is going to respect this other block over here, but it never did. But when you come to 5 minute time frame, you realize that there was another block around here that the price actually respected. So after the price touched this other block, it now went up. After this price touched this other block, it now went up. After going up, it now retraced a little bit. Then it now break out. Actually, the intended place I was hoping the price is going to get to was 4,100. That was what I was expecting it to touch. Yeah. But so what happened was that after the price got to this zone, after the price got to around this zone, I'm sorry. So after the price retested this zone around the side, yeah, around the side, when you come to lower time frame like 1 minute, you realize that it actually did a double top. It actually did a double top, and this was a confirmation. Should I say a confirmation? This was the reason why I know for sure that this guy was, yes, confirmation that I know for sure that it was going, what was it called? That it was going to the downside. So normally, right, when a pattern is created this way, I was expecting it to just break through. Do you understand that? I was expecting it to break through, but there was this reaction that was created around the zone. Let me erase this. So there was this reaction that was created around the zone. So that reaction, when you come to, let's say 5 minutes. When you come to 5 minutes now, you can better see. So this pattern here, when a double bottom is being formed, which is this one now. So when a double bottom is being formed, just like the one that was formed here, a breakout is going to happen. Then a retest around another block is going to happen. Then I was expecting a overshot. Do you understand that? But you can find out that okay, price respected this even more than once. He respected it once, he respected it twice, and he respected it thrice. When you drag this, now, so when you drag this way now, you realize that okay, for an order block to be valid, it has to respect it once or twice. When it comes to that zone, the third time is going to break through. So that was the confirmation that this guy was actually heading downward. You understand? That was the confirmation that he's actually heading downward. So currently now, so currently, right, there is a there is a trade that we are currently on right now. When you shift this trade towards the zone now, you find out that okay. So this is how we got into this trade now. When you come to, let's say, 1 hour, let me see, sorry, 2 hours. Very good. You can see that there was an order block that was formed here, right? But price never came to this other block zone. It never did. But when you come to 1 hour, it's not shown on 1 hour. There's no retaliation around that place whatsoever. 1 hour, 40 minute neither, 30 minute neither. But when you come to, okay, even on 15 minutes neither. But when you come to, okay, when you come to this place now, you realize that price was formed. When you come to this side, yeah, you realize that price was formed. Like there was a double top here. It's actually a, it's actually kind of like a often pattern that happen on gold trend. When an order block happens, allow for it to break, just like the one that happens here. So now you might not get in here, which is kind of risky. If you not get in here, wait for it to break through, which is this pattern now. You can see it actually broke beyond this other block, a very tiny other block. It went up, it came down again. So for you to before you can enter, I will advise that okay, allow it to break through something substantial. There was this tiny eye that was created here, so it broke through it before now later retesting and later going upward. So on this current trade that we are currently on, the trade actually, the trade actually did what we expected to do. So it created this now. It now went up and came down. It now went up again to this other block zone. After coming to this other block zone, right? It now retested. It now retested an other block around this zone before later going up. So this also was an other block which I'm going to draw for you from the higher time. So when you check, let's say 1 minute now, yeah, you realize that okay, this was not actually an other block, so to say. This was not actually another block, so to say. But when you come to 15 minutes, very good. When you come to 15 minutes, you realize that okay, price retested this other block zone. Yes, price retested this other block zone before later going up. So for a trader trading the other block zone, I might advise you to just place your entry at the middle of the market and place your stops by this end. And like that, you'll be able to make something tangible from it. You can see, you'll be able to make something tangible from it. But nevertheless, so this is our overall this thing. Another entry again can be gotten from this other block. So another entry again can be gotten from this other block too, because this is another block. When it comes to 30 minutes, you see it better. And then check 45 minutes. Oh, good. Yeah, very well. So we're expecting that price should get to somewhere around here. Then yeah, price should get to somewhere around there. Then there's going to be some sort of what's it called? There's going to be some sort of retaliation to the zone before price later pushing upward to 4-1. Actually, price might get up beyond that 4-1. Price might get beyond that 4-1. But let me try something to see. Actually, all I'm doing is not a financial advice. I expect you to do your own research before before later believing anyone in this trading business. So price might even get to 442. Yes, price might get to 42. 43, price will get to 43 at some point in time. So I'm not sure if I am even. I'm sorry. Let me view this thing very well, please. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Let me see if. Okay. 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 So now download this. So let me erase this now, right? And use this Fibonacci on it. So if I take it here to this place, hmm, okay, it's not as expected. So that was it. That's just everything that was being done here. That's just everything that was being done at this point. So guys, just as I say and I'll always say, ensure you don't trust anyone's strategy, develop your own strategy. And for all my mentors and for all my mentees out there, I expect that you always follow by the book. Follow a well risk management. Aside from following a well risk management, ensure you follow your game plan. It's very, very important. Because the game of trading is a long time game. It's not a short time game. So with this, I hope you understand what I mean today. So thank you very much and do have a blessed day ahead. Bye. Jesus Christ loves you. I know that for sure.